BioBridge Global is unique in the world. It's a collection of organizations all focused on a single vision and mission. That vision surrounds regenerative medicine, a form of medicine that harnesses the power of cells and tissues in our bodies to regenerate and restore the body's functions in sick and injured patients. This mission requires GMP to be used in every business unit, function, department, and step within our processes. GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. The goal of GMP is to produce a product that's effective, potent, pure, and safe. It really centers around preventing and detecting contamination. One way that's done is by assessing and anticipating potential risks when designing processes, and then going about controlling those risks through effective process design. This includes quality control checks of everything being used in the process, as well as testing the product itself. The process needs to be carefully designed to ensure that any potential risks, such as sources of contamination, are identified and then engineered out of the process, or if possible, quality control points are designed into the process to prevent or detect the risks. Now, even with the best laid plans, we may not be able to anticipate every issue that may come up, and this is why we investigate any failures or deviations that may occur in order to find out how the process failed and what could we do to improve that process to prevent another failure. Of course, part of how we confirm our process will work as expected is that we test or validate that the related materials, methods, and equipment work as they're intended to and in the production scenarios that we'll be putting them in. We also verify that all the staff performing the process and using the equipment are properly trained and are competent. The validated or qualified state can be impacted by change, so the process of change control allows us to perform an impact assessment, and if necessary, the validation is repeated after making the changes, along with training and reassessment for competency of the staff. I'm sure you've heard, if it wasn't documented, it didn't happen. And that's the truth when it comes to record keeping and GMP. Documentation should tell the entire story of what was performed, when it was performed, and by whom. It's our proof as an organization that we followed GMP by ensuring we had procedures in place and documented all of our critical steps within each procedure. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.